So today's video is all about 8-bit sounds. You know, like the old classic arcadey games with pixelated dudes running and just like all those classic sounds. It's fairly easy to create 8-bit sounds in Ableton. Obviously you can turn anything into like an 8-bit sound. You just gotta degrade the quality essentially. With that being said, let's listen to this drum beat. Fairly stock standard, it's just like a staccato, simple pattern, which is good for like the 8-bit vibes. First off, as you can tell, I've grouped the kick snare and the hi-hats into this one drum loop group here. So the effect in Ableton to give off the 8-bit sound is the redux, which stands for like reduction, I guess. Yeah, you just drag that in. You're getting it. But if you want to take it a step further, this is what I'm here for. Overdrive. I basically just grabbed the yellow ball right here and dragged it down, which controls the frequency in the cue. Give it that extra kind of grit and harmonic juiciness. Next thing I'm going to add is a gate, which I should have added at the start. And basically why I'm adding a gate is like, you kind of think of 8-bit sounds as like short, snappy little samples and sounds like things like that. So with the gate, it'll hopefully strip away the body of the sounds and just leave you with like a transient or a really short note. So drag the threshold down until I've got everything like so. And just like remove the hold, remove the release. So it's kind of getting rid of the body right there. And since this is kind of 80s, we could add utility, change it from stereo to left so it's mono now. Cool, we're getting there, It's sounding pretty cool right now as is. We're not getting there, we're already there, I guess. And last thing I'm gonna add is an EQ3 and just strip away the bass of the sound. And there we go, that's kind of like our 8-bit sound right there. So before, clean, modern, crisp. That sounds arcadey and gamey already. And yeah, it's just a matter of mucking around with all these parameters inside our chain that we got going on here. I like the soft down sample, it sounds quite cool. So what you're after is short, sharp, punchy drum hits, and then chuck a redux on that, and then maybe spice it up with some overdrive, cut out the bass, and then add a gate for some even tighter, sharper sounds.